Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to download videos from Facebook Messenger. Facebook is a social media site that encourages users to log in daily and stay engaged. So it would make sense that you couldn't download videos from Messenger, but fortunately you can keep those memories in your device storage. And this video will show you how you can download videos from Facebook Messenger. Open the Facebook Messenger app and tap the conversation where you can retrieve the video. Locate the video you want to download in the conversation or go to the media and files. iOS users can click their friend's name at the top to access the media folder. Android users can tap the I button in the upper right to access the media folder. Now tap on View Media, Files and Links. Here you will find all the media. Now select the video which you want to download. Let's see, this is the video, and here at the bottom you will find 3 dot or more. Tap here and you will find the save button. Tap on save. The video will save in your device's download folder. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope it was very helpful for you. Please give a like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.